बैंकॉक आ रहे हो? बैंकॉक आ रहे हो? बोलो
स्क्रैप वाले को बोलो।
कीर्ति इस तरह से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं।
वरुण सामने वरुण सामने सेंटर में नहीं देखा। क्या कर रहे हैं सर? इधर देखिए वरुण भाई लाइट में वरुण भाई राइट में।
हाँ भाई
यहाँ पे सेंटर अरे वरुण भाई
आइए सर। चलो
सर यहाँ पे देखिए सर, यहाँ पे यहाँ देखा ही नहीं सर। सर यहाँ पे देखिए
सर इधर देखिए।
बॉबी सर यहाँ देखा ही नहीं सर।
सर इधर
सर यहाँ देखिए नहीं सर। बॉबी सर
सर इधर सामने देखे ना।
कैमरा खराब है सर, प्लास्टिक का कैमरा है, स्लो चल।
अभी कौन आ रहा है?
With us, thank you for being with us right through, and it's been a journey of passion, a journey of love, and a journey of partnership. In that AV Youths have seen multiple countries. The host nation is a big partner of the IFA movement, and every year that host nation changes. After 10 years, we're back in Bangkok, being welcomed by the government of Thailand once again to amazing Thailand. Please join me in welcoming Ms. Suraya Homchun, Director of Tourism, Authority of Thailand, Mumbai office.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you very much for being a part of this event tonight. It's a pleasure to have all of the members of the media and the film fraternities under one roof. It's an honor to be the host destination. Most popular award show, IFA 2018. I thank the entire team of Wizcraft International for giving us this wonderful opportunity once again. The spirit of Thailand is energetic, lively, and colorful, much like the spirit of Bollywood. And one can only imagine the spectacle and magic that can be created when IFA would meet Thailand on June 22nd, 2018. Warm and welcoming Thais are eager to embrace the Bollywood fraternity, and I can proclaim without a doubt that Bollywood would feel at home amidst the sights and sounds of Thailand. Bangkok, the incredible city of Thailand, is one of Southeast Asia's most sought-after locations, attracting over 30 million visitors annually. And the recently launched campaign, Open to the New Shades of Thailand, we intend to offer unexplored attractions in Thailand through 5 major segments, which are gastronomy, nature and beach, art and craft, and Thai culture and way of life. The communication campaign will introduce brand new products to visitors to reveal a new charming character of well-known destinations through creativity. And Thailand is known for its spectacular natural landscapes, ancient temples, and unmatched hospitality.
It is the biggest film awards on earth,
because it reaches 700 million people. Now, if that's not a huge number, then what is, I don't know. Sabas has told you everything about IIFA, but I would like to thank Khalsi-san. I want to tell you that our journey साथ में शुरू हुई थी. 4 years back, you came on board, we came on board, and IIFA has never looked back after that. But thank you very much for all your support. Tarun-san, thank you for your support. And Myntra, how can we not mention you? You've been consistently supporting us. We plan to be with IIFA rest of our lives unless Sabas, Viraf and Andre decide not to partner with Colors. Okay? And thank you for all the... without the stars, there's no IIFA. And there are a lot of big names this time. And I think Ranbir is performing after a long time in IIFA. I can see Kriti here. I can see Varun, Ayushman, Bobby, and I think Rekha ji is supposed to come. Thank you for being there and supporting us. Varun and Kriti, I think Ayushman, you've been there for almost most of the IIFAs. So thank you very much. And at Colors, we will try to, as always, amplify it and make it bigger and better as always. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Raj. IIFA stands for glamour, the pride of Indian cinema and the Indian film community. It celebrates fashion and celebrates fashion with our film stars who are icons leading the style quotient. Creating new trends in the world of fashion, styling, great looks at IIFA is our co-powered by sponsor who's styling this year's IIFA, styled by Myntra. I have a small AV that I'd just like to share with you.
Of course, my corporate colleagues and friends. We are very, very excited to tie up with IIFA 2018. The journey started in 2017. Myntra brings the best of brands and fashion on one platform. And we all know that IIFA brings the best of Bollywood. So this marriage brought about an overwhelming response from all our customers and viewers. And sir, among your 700 million viewers, we also have 50 million viewers of Myntra. And going ahead with this legacy, last year we had introduced a prestigious award for Myntra IIFA Style Icon of the Year Award. Continuing with that legacy, I'm here to announce the 5 nominees for the award this year. Shahid Kapoor. Second one, Jacqueline. Karthik Aryan. Shraddha Kapoor. Kriti Sanon. And I would urge all of you and everyone who's hearing us through the media to please vote for your favorite and most stylish Icon of the Year award on our Myntra app. One more thing I'd like to announce, which is we are also tying up with Vikram Fadnis, and the exclusive IIFA line will be available real time for all of you to purchase on Myntra. With that, we're really looking forward to meet all of you in Bangkok. Thank you.
Because of our friends of IIFA, the stars of Indian cinema. And we have a bevy right in front of us here today. My first person coming up, she made her debut in 2014 with the Telugu film Nenakadine, a psychological thriller, and then went on to come into Bollywood and rule our hearts. Please join me in putting your hands together for Kriti Sanon.
not expect myself to be giving a speech here. Thanks, Abbas. Where are you? Yeah, thank you for not warning me. This is my third IFA that I'm attending and my second that I'm performing. And it's always a pleasure to be associated with Wizcraft. I think the way they manage it all, hats off to you guys. And I really look forward to IFA purely because not only does it sort of connect all of us to our fans out there all across the world, but it also is sort of a celebration of cinema, and we sort of get to connect with each other. We're all busy traveling, shooting our own separate films, and this is where we all come together in a different part of the world every year. And I'm really excited about performing this year yet again. And yeah, really looking forward to IFA 2018, Thailand this time.
Thank you, Kriti. His father was on the IFA advisory board in its inaugural year. His contribution right through the journey has been phenomenal, and he continues to be on the IFA advisory board after 19 years. His contribution to cinema has been across different genres of cinema, most popularly known for his comedy. His son started his career with Karan Johar's Student of the Year. He's been such a sport, bearing the tag of the perfect student for all these years, that he's given us 10 successive blockbusters. Please put your hands together and welcome Varun Dhawan.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So it's IFA 2018, so I need to hear some more noise. We can't just start it off like that, guys. Come on. This year is truly going to be special. So me, Kriti and Ayushmann met back and we were like, yaar, kya karenge? And when we were discussing the lineup, there are going to be two major highlights. One is, I think, hum sabka favorite, Bobby Deol is going to be performing on stage this year. That's going to be something spectacular. And Ayushmann and we were discussing kaun se gaane Bobby's going to do with songs. So we were discussing ki Gupt ke gaane hone wale ya Soldier ke gaane hone wale. Oh no. Is there any song that you're planning to do, Bobby? This year, any special song? Let's hear it for Bobby Deol 2.0, guys.
Well, for me, just being a part of IFA again is so exciting. ये ऊपर चलते हैं आजा. No, I'm just very excited and Varun, thank you so much for this awesome introduction you've given me. But it's great to be back and I'm really excited that I am going to be performing on stage.
After how many years? After how many years?
I think 7 years or something. Woo! And it's always nervous to be on stage, but I think I'm losing that nervousness nowadays. There's too much energy in me and I just...
With your clothes, even the nervousness is going away, I think.
No, but I'm just happy and thank you so much for making me a part of IFA, guys. And I'm so excited all of you are here. Rekha ji, thank you so much. And love you guys and see you all on the television if you all don't make it to the IFA Awards.
The second biggest highlight, actually this is the second introduction, but it's the biggest highlight, I guess, of the night, and we all know that, is that Rekha ma'am is going to be performing on a stage after 20 years, guys. I'm sorry, मैं host का काम कर रहा हूँ, but when I was hearing this, I said it doesn't make sense कि सब एक by एक आए. I needed to say this, that for me, this is going to be such a big highlight to watch her perform live. And I know a little bit of her act, which I was just talking to about. And वो live देखना बहुत बड़ी बात होने वाली है. एक और gentleman, आयुष्मान के सामने जो बैठे थे, वो बच्चे की तरह हंसने लगे जब रेखा मैम जी अंदर आए और blush करने लगे. मुझे पता है आप शादीशुदा है, but he was very very excited. I think as of all of us are going to be to see a perform live. As far as where I'm concerned, I'm going to be doing something different from what we did last year, and hopefully there's going to be a live act with the crowd in Bangkok, in a marketplace where we'll get discount after the performance. Free stuff after that. So ladies and gentlemen, we'll see you at IFA 2018 in Bangkok. Thank you guys. You're dancing? No. So I wanted to do this, but आंद्रे ने पहले ना बोला था, अभी खुश हो गए तो हाँ बोल रहे। रेखा जी, एक ऐसा गाना तो बताइए जो आप उधर करने वाले, कोई भी एक गाना, ताकि दर्शकों को पता चले कि आईफा 2018 जब वो लोग कलर्स टीवी ऑन करेंगे रात को, तो विच सॉन्ग, कोई ऐसा गाना जो उन्हें पता चले कि आप कोई भी ऐसा कुछ गाना करने वाले हैं। इफ आई कैन जस्ट गेट यू ऑन स्टेज।
इधर आइए वारू, दिस इज माई बेटर एंगल। जस्ट किडिंग। नमस्कार वरुण, आपने सवाल उल्टा पूछा। ये सवाल आपको इनसे पूछना चाहिए कि आप कौन सा गाने में मुझे देखना चाह रहे हैं।
एक्चुअली अगर पूछना चाहिए तो मैं आयुष्मान से पूछता हूँ, क्योंकि वो गायक भी है। तो अगर वो चंद इनके जो फेवरेट गाने हैं आपके, अगर एक गीत ऐसा हम सबको सुना दे, सुनना चाहेंगे आप लोग?
मुझे नहीं पता मैं फीमेल वॉइस में कैसे गाऊंगा, लेकिन यू सजेस्ट मैम, व्हिच सॉन्ग डू यू प्रेफर?
नहीं, सवाल का जवाब तो किसी ने दिया ही नहीं। मेरा एक अच्छा, मैं पूछती हूँ, आप क्या चाहते हैं कि मैं किस गाने पे नाचूं?
मेरा फेवरेट गाना है परदेसिया।
सॉरी, इन हैपनिंग।
तो आप किस पे डांस करना चाहती हैं रेखा जी?
मतलब मेरा एक दूसरा नाम है, वो है मिस्ट्री। मैं अभी बता दूं तो क्या मतलब है? या तो आप बैंकॉक आइए, या 25 अगले महीने 25 तक इंतज़ार कीजिएगा। ज़रूर देखिएगा ऑन कलर्स 25 जुलाई, ज़रूर देखिएगा। नहीं तो आप बैंकॉक में मिलिएगा, टिकट्स बहुत चीप है, ज़रूर आइएगा।
Thank you so much. That's a big hand for Rekha ji and Ayushman. And vote for Kriti. She's nominated. That lady.
Arun for the entry before this one. ऐसे थोड़ी होता है, जब भी स्टेज पे हूँ गाना गाना ज़रूरी नहीं है। But I just got a call from my wife. She was like, बैंकॉक जा रहे हो, अकेले जा रहे हो? And I was like, baby, it's a work trip. वो कहते सभी यही बोलते हैं। मैं कहता, no, I'm hosting IFA this time, yeah. Again, so this is my 4th stint with IFA, and I'm hosting IFA Works for the third time, and I'm really excited. In fact, Viscraft was the first one to give this opportunity to me immediately after Vicky Donor, the first one to recognize talent. Thank you so much, Viscraft. And in fact, they gave me an opportunity much before when I became an actor to host the main show, one of the main shows. So I've had an amazing journey with Viscraft, and I'm really looking forward to IFA this time around, which is the connect Indians have who are staying abroad with India through Indian cinema. So I think I'll be the master of ceremonies of this amazing Bollywood circus abroad. Thank you so much. And ma'am, from the tourism, Thai tourism, you said Swati Khan, we have Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, Amir Khan. Thank you, ma'am. Ayushman Bhava.
Okay, I'm back on stage again, and I guess I'm getting a little bit of practice being on stage, and really excited. As I said earlier, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि आज मैं यहाँ हूँ. Varun, you're a sweetheart. Mwah. The lovely introduction. Seriously, he's a sweetheart. I'm telling you, this guy, for whatever he's achieved in his life, is the most down-to-earth kid I've met. I have to call you a kid. Anyway, I'm just excited to be a part of IFA and looking forward to performing to some of my old hits and the new hits from Race 3. So what more do I say? Thank you so much for your love and wanting me back on the stage. And I'm going to do my best.
We have a partner of ours who's been with us for the last couple of years and has been more than a partner. He's been a friend. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the podium Mr. Nishant Pitti the Managing Director of Ease My Trip.
Good evening, everyone. So this is our second year with IFA. Last year we went with New York with thanks to Andrew and team. So these guys do a marvelous job. So last year we were India's 4th largest OTA, that is online travel company. So this year we have crossed the bracket of 4th. Now we are 3rd largest online travel agency in India. And I hope, like, as IFA is growing, so do we also grow with them. So that's our main objective, to be with IFA. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Like Raj said earlier, we have an audience of almost 800 million people across the world. Every year when we do the IFAs, we can use that audience just to entertain them, make them really happy, and like any other night, forget about it. In 2007, we believed that this was an opportunity to talk to the world about issues that concern the world. So in 2007, we changed our red carpet to a green carpet to talk to the world about the environment. And for the last many years, since 2007, we've continued to have a partnership with the UN on environment. This partnership continues this year, where we will talk to the world about beating plastic pollution using the IFA platform to do so. There's another issue that we picked up a few years ago, around 4 years ago, prior to the last general election. Women's empowerment. Ayushmann Khurrana and Varun Dhawan. Rekha ji, if you'd like to join at this point.
Reduce the load on her soft hands.
साथ निभाना यानी साथ काम निपटाना. बराबरी घर से शुरू करो, खुश रहो. उनके soft hands का बोझ करो हल्का.
Equality begins at home, so divide her duties and make her happy. Reduce the load on her gentle hands.
Equality begins at home, so reduce her work and make her happy. Reduce the load on her soft hands.
Equal दर्जा दो, हर काम आधा बांट लो. बराबरी घर से शुरू करो, खुश रहो.
Ladies and gentlemen, can we have the sound down? We will take questions. You need to identify yourself. Put your hand up and the mic will reach you so you can ask your questions. When you're asking your question, please say your name and the publication or the newspaper or the news outlet that you represent.
One by one, आप लोग शुरू कीजिए और आराम से बैठ जाओ. अभी किसको आप लोग किसका क्या सवाल है? अच्छा, आपका हाथ ऊपर है मुझे पता है, बट आप कोई माइक देगा इनको? भाई साहब को पीछे. हाँ, आप पूछ लो ना, आपका हाथ.
Varun, really good to see you. The very first question from my end is, Thailand, Bangkok में पहली बार आईफा हो रहा है.
नहीं, ये दूसरी बार हो रहा है.
दूसरी बार हो रहा है. इस जगह को लेके कितने एक्साइटेड हैं आप?
आई थिंक बैंकॉक में हर किसी एक्टर ने बहुत शूटिंग की है. मैंने की है, बॉबी ने की है, आयुष्मान पहली बार जा रहे हैं बीवी के बिना, और कृति शॉट इन बैंकॉक बिफोर दिस. कृति ने भी शूटिंग की है एक तेलुगु फिल्म के लिए. रेखा मैम, यू एवर डन अ फिल्म इन बैंकॉक? कोई शूटिंग की आपने?
मुझे शूटिंग करके 25 साल हो गए.
बट आई एम श्योर बैंकॉक में रेखा जी के बहुत फैंस हैं, जैसे वर्ल्ड वाइड है. सो देयर इज अ बिग एक्साइटमेंट. देयर इज अ लार्ज एशियन कम्युनिटी इन बैंकॉक इन थाईलैंड हु आर देयर टू वेलकम अस. सो हम लोग चाहते हैं कि वहाँ जाके हम लोग बहुत मज़ा करें, बहुत सारे हमारे जो गाने हैं, जो हमारे फैंस हैं, उनको एंटरटेन करें. सो डेफिनेटली देयर इज अ बिग एक्साइटमेंट फ्रॉम द एंटायर फ्रेटर्निटी.
ओके रेखा जी, अभी हेलो.
अच्छा
रेखा जी, अभी आपने कहा कि 25 साल पहले वहाँ शूट किया है आपने. इफ यू कैन हियर मी, रेखा जी, इफ यू कैन हियर मी, इट्स ओके. आपको मेरी आवाज़ सुनाई दे रही है, इतना काफ़ी है. मेरा सवाल आपसे है, 25 साल पहले
वो कह रही थी कि 25 साल हो गए उन्होंने शूटिंग नहीं की. वो ये नहीं कह रहे थे कि 25 साल पहले बैंकॉक गए थे. करेक्ट?
ओह, माय फॉल्ट. वरुण, इस बार क्या नया परफॉर्म करेंगे और क्या किस नंबर पे कर रहे हो? क्योंकि आपने कहा कि कुछ नया करने वाले हैं आप.
एक सेकंड, मैं रेखा जी को एस्कॉर्ट कर दूं. पहले आप लोग प्लीज पहले तालियां बजाइए, तालियों के गूंज में.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, आप सब यहाँ आए. आप सबका यहाँ रहना यही इस बात को फिर से दोहराता है कि आप सब हमको बहुत प्यार करते हैं. आप कितना प्यार करते हैं, अगर आप फिर से दोहराना चाहते हैं तो आईफा ज़रूर आइएगा, नहीं तो ज़रूर देखिएगा 25 जुलाई ऑन कलर्स. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. लव यू ऑल, सी यू देयर, कांट वेट, वेरी एक्साइटेड. नमस्कार.
हाँ जी, तालियां तो बजाओ यार. ठीक है, तो अभी बात करेंगे रेस 3 की.
Before we move any further, let's put our hands together for Rekha ji.
Sabas, now we are going to sing a song from Race 3 called Selfish, which Bobby has done. No, next question.
Okay, Varun.
And you can ask us questions about Race 3, if you want.
Okay, of course, we will ask you. वरुण, जैसे आपने कहा कि इस बार कुछ नया करने वाले हैं, क्या प्लानिंग की है और किस नंबर पे परफॉर्म करते नजर आएंगे आप?
इस बार मैं डांस नहीं करने वाला हूँ. क्यों? तो वो सबसे नई चीज़ होने वाली है. क्योंकि नहीं, मैं मस्ती कर रहा हूँ. आई एम डेफिनेटली डांसिंग. इस बार जो एक्ट है उसमें बहुत टेक्नोलॉजी को इन्वॉल्व किया है हम लोग ने. There's a lot of, I think there are 7 LEDs which are being flown in internationally for this act and generally for the IFA setup. Also क्योंकि हम लोग एक थिएटर में परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं बैंकॉक के, so वहाँ के जो सेटअप्स होने वाले हैं, there's going to be a lot of aerial acts होने वाले हैं. मुझे पता है कि मेरा जो एंट्री होने वाला है, I can say it. अभी ठीक है, एक बहुत बड़े बोट पे होने वाला है, नाव पे, और वही दिखा रहे कि मैं इंडिया से बैंकॉक नाव पे गया हूँ, नाव में गया हूँ, मछुआरे की तरह.
बॉबी, मेरा सवाल आपसे, अभी आपने while addressing वरुण, you said you call वरुण a kid, जबकि वरुण आज की तारीख में one of the fantastic actor we have who have the guts to do film like October post जुड़वा.
अच्छा, आप गुस्सा हो रहे हो?
Why you think he's a kid?
One second. मुझे इतना एहसास हो गया कि तू बहुत बड़ा फैन है वरुण का. ठीक है, तो मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि इसको मैंने बचपन से बड़ा होते हुए देखा है, इसीलिए मेरे लिए तो हमेशा बच्चा ही रहेगा ना. और वही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ, इतनी सक्सेस के बाद में मेरे दोस्त ये अभी भी इतना डाउन टू अर्थ है. तो आपको क्या जलन हो रही है जी मेरे बोलने से?
We love him.
Actually, आप इसलिए कंफ्यूज हो गए क्योंकि बॉबी इतने जवान लग रहे हैं.
Yes.
So Bobby is looking like a teenager, तो इसलिए कंफ्यूज हो गए कि हम तो हम उम्र है.
ओके बॉबी, रेस 3 के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहेंगे क्या? आईफा में जलवा देखने को मिलेगा रेस 3 का.
आईफा में सॉरी?
रेस 3 बॉबी. बॉबी अगर कुछ बताएं इस बारे में.
बॉबी कौन सा गाना करेगा अब रेस 3 के आईफा में?
मैं अभी क्या बताऊं, मेरे गाने अगर बता दूंगा तो मज़ा नहीं आएगा, लेकिन रेस 3 गाने कमाल के हैं सारे, और डेफिनेटली मैं उन गानों में से कुछ चुनकर. सेल्फिश डेफिनेटली यार, इस बार मैं सेल्फिश होके जीना चाहता हूँ. ठीक है, मामू ऑलवेज से सेल्फिश हो जाए बॉबी. एनीवे आई जस्ट हैव टू से थैंक यू सो मच. मैं अभी रेस 3 देखने जा रहा हूँ. ठीक है, सो विश मी द बेस्ट. आई हैव टू रन. लव यू गाइस.
Bobby is in a rush, so before we continue any further, I'm just going to request for some pictures so that everyone has it out here on stage.
If you all want to ask Kriti any question,
I'm going to request
Kriti. So Kriti?
Yes, Kriti.
Kriti के लिए कौन पूछेगा
मैं
question?
पूछ रहा हूँ यार. कृति
नीलामी हो रही है क्वेश्चन की. आप ही पूछो. अरे भैया किसी और को भी पूछने दो.
यहाँ पे एक ही है जो क्वेश्चंस पूछ रहे हैं, और कोई नहीं है.
आप दोनों की क्या तैयारी है? कृति और आयुष्मान से पूछना चाहूँ.
वो इधर कोई मैम हाथ उठा रही हैं. ब्लू कलर का सूट पहना हुआ है. या बट कैन यू पास द माइक प्लीज टू हर? ओके ओके, आई सॉ दैट यू डोंट हैव इट नाउ.
Hi everyone, this is Priyanka from Indian Express. Kriti, I wanted to know that when you weren't an actor, and I don't know if you used to watch award shows.
Of course.
Which female actor would you always root for in terms of performance and performance on stage? And like who you used to watch and liked a lot and wanted to be like her on stage?
I think definitely when it comes to performing and dancing, Madhuri Dixit. I am still a huge fan, huge fan. But I used to watch all her songs, all her performances, all her numbers, try and copy them, make faces like her. Obviously not succeed. But yeah, I think no one moves like the way she does, with the grace that she does. And of course, she's one actress who also dances with her face and not only her body.
Right. And Varun and Bobby, I have a question for both of you. You've given some fabulous mass entertainers to the audience, but we have this perception that unless you do a heavy duty film or a serious role, you're not considered as the best actor, or you're not considered in the race of best actor when it comes to awards. How do you look at that perception? This is for both of you.
I don't see, honestly, I don't think so. Even if I win an award, that people will consider me the best actor. It doesn't really matter to me whether I'm considered a best actor. What matters to me is that people consider me a good human being, because I feel at the end of the day, that's the connect that you have with an audience. And as an actor, I think I try my best. If it happens, it happens. I did a film, October, from my heart last year. I got the most critical acclaim I've ever got in my life. So I think I'm doing my best to balance it.
Bobby, you?
Well, I have my dad as the biggest example, the most awesome, talented, amazing actor, legend, who was never given the Best Actor award ever. So it doesn't matter, because the amount of people who love my dad and love my family, and that's why I'm blessed, and I'm here in front of you guys today. So for me, it's the love and appreciation of my fans and people around that makes me the best actor.
Bobby, you, Justin here from PTI. Bobby, this year you're making a comeback with a film, and then you're making a comeback on stage after a lot many years. Does the long gap make an actor remember the old tricks, or does it make an actor nervous when you're going on stage?
No, I'm telling you, I'm the least nervous today sitting in front of you and answering questions, because I have nothing to lose. I've lost many years not doing anything, so I'm just out here. I'm going to do my best and entertain everybody as much as I can.
You know, there were also reports, Bobby, that Salman is really going to produce a film for you, starring you in the lead.
See, Salman is an angel in my life, okay? He's the most awesome human being I've ever met from my industry. And no one does so much for anyone. And not that he's doing me a favor. He's doing it because he sees the fire in me and he wants me to be the best again. And that's it.
हेलो हेलो हाँ बॉबी जी, मैं रमेश राव फ्रॉम फिल्म एंड टीवी ट्रेड मैगजीन। आपने तो मेरे साथ सवाल का जवाब दे दिया कि इतने साल के बाद आप वापस आ रहे हैं। मेरी डॉटर आपको बहुत पसंद करती, शी लाइक्स ऑल योर मूवीज। नाउ माय फेवरेट इज आप गुप्त का गाना जो दुनिया हसीनों का मेला, प्लीज आइफा में वो डांस करिए प्लीज सर।
Definitely karunga. That was my trademark. That made people identify with me.
And terrific music, sir. Terrific music.
नहीं, वो तो विजू शाह का कमाल का music था.
Yes.
So I was lucky to get that album.
So thank you, sir. You're dancing on that song.
Thank you,
I will see that. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Sandeep from ANI. My question is to almost everyone. Bobby, Varun, Kriti, Ayushman, you all are rocking today. Now, as far as I have understood, IFA, it is the platform where everyone is appreciated for their roles in movies, their dedication, their application that they are doing in the movies, right? Now, recently, एक बवाल उठा हुआ है। मुझे ये जानना है सर कि किसी भी आर्टिस्ट का किसी भी किरदार को प्ले करते हुए कितना इन्वॉल्वमेंट होता है, करूं या ना करूं। और इसका कारण ये है क्योंकि रिसेंटली क्वांटिको जिसमें प्रियंका चोपड़ा हैं उस विषय को लेकर के काफ़ी बवाल उठा है। तो कितना इम्पोर्टेंट होता है एक एक्टर के लिए या किसी भी किरदार को प्ले करना?
आयुष्मान जी सवाल का जवाब देंगे अब।
This question is to almost everyone.
Okay, I think everybody should answer this question for sure.
We're running out of time. That'll be the last question.
तो मैं इतना सीरियसली मुझे क्यों देख रहे हैं?
You are looking.
तुम्हें लग रहा है कि शायद मैं
सबसे ज़्यादा पढ़े लिखे आज तुम ही लग रहे हो, तो बोल दो।
I think of course you have to आप जब कुछ किरदार प्ले करते हैं वो आप पे डिपेंड करता है। आपकी अपनी सोच होती है, आपकी सोच कुछ भी हो सकती है, कुछ सही गलत नहीं होता है इसमें। आप एक किरदार प्ले कर रहे हैं, एक डायरेक्टर को फॉलो कर रहे हैं, एक स्क्रिप्ट को फॉलो कर रहे हैं, वो आपका पहली रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है। उसके बाद जो आपकी सोच है, जो आपको सही लगता है, क्या गलत लगता है उस समय, क्योंकि हर पक्ष के लोग होते हैं इस दुनिया में, तो आपको वो देखना है। इनफैक्ट आप कुछ भी साइड ले लें, आपको उसका बैकलैश मिलेगा ही मिलेगा, आप कुछ उससे दूर नहीं जा सकते।
To just end it, Priyanka Chopra has made our entire country very proud, and we all stand.
Absolutely.
That's it. There's nothing else to be discussed.
One more thing, Varun, जॉन अब्राहम आपके काफ़ी अच्छे दोस्त हैं। परमाणु उनकी फिल्म रिलीज़ हुई जिसमें अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी का भी दिखाया गया कि कितना प्रोमिनेंस और कितना इम्पोर्टेंट उनका रोल था पोखरण में और परमाणु परीक्षण में। तो आज ऐसी स्थिति है कि उनकी कंडीशन काफ़ी ख़राब है, क्या कहेंगे आप सभी से जानना चाहता हूँ।
I think honestly, he's been a very important part of our country. He is. We all look up to him. And we'll just pray for a speedy recovery that Atalji बहुत जल्द he gets healthy again and he can return home.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you. I'm sorry we cannot take any more questions. We run out of time. Really grateful for all of you. I'm going to request our stars to be on stage. May I invite for a photo opportunity to capture this moment. Mr. Tarun San and Mr. Kalsi San to join the stars on stage.
गंजा लगता है।
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं लग रहा है ऐसा
Yeah. This is the first Oceans IFA tie-up, and we are extremely excited. And it's for a cause. The cause is preserving cinema heritage, which is very close to our heart. And our chairman is working on it since decades. And now we've reached a position where we want to make it global, so that people realize the importance of preserving cinema heritage and also of the need to celebrate it. Because if we don't give value to it, then who will? So we have tried to make the content as exciting as possible, and I hope that the participating film fraternity shows a robust participation in the auction as well, so that this becomes a annual event for us, for both the entities. That is the aim. See, the items are basically posters, lobby cards, show cards, old handbills of 30s. There's a very interesting Avara East German poster that's going under the hammer. Then there is a beautiful 6-sheet of Mother India, which is the highlight. Of course, the highlight of the entire exhibition and auction, in my opinion, is the Gaj Gamini M.F. Hussain painting, which is a beautiful artwork by Hussain Saab. No, I would like, see, the cause is important for us. We could have done an auction anywhere in the country, but we are taking it abroad so that it gets a platform, because the IFA platform is very special, and it will generate a lot of excitement, as well as it will give a lot of information and knowledge to a lot of people about the cause of cinematic heritage and how to preserve it, how to celebrate it, so that the future generations know the importance of preserving cinema heritage.
Yeah.